Thank you, Honorable Board Members, the Presiding Officer, and Mr. Floor Leader. Ayagid nga hapon sa inyong tanan. Sa atong, of course, to Governor Papa Defensor, sa atong incoming Vice Governor, Lian Dubuque, sa mga members, sa pinalangga, mga members ang 14 sa nila sa Lalawigan, sa atong incoming 15th sa Grian Panlalawigan, sa mga IPG family, to all our guests, the Tri-Media, all our colleagues in public service, we had ayagid na hapon sa tanan-tanan. As I stand here today, for the final time in the session hall, after 9 years, imagine, no? I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude, of humility, and with pride. This moment marks the end of a remarkable chapter in my life, one that has brought both immense challenges and immeasurable fulfillment. Siyang nakatuig ang nagligad when I took my oath as your Vice Governor, as the first woman Vice Governor for the province of Iloilo. And I did so with the hope of serving with sincerity, leading with compassion, and empowering others, especially the women, mga persons with disabilities, education sector natin, the youth, those who dream of taking part in building our province's future. It was never about being the first, but rather about proving that with genuine intent and hard work, we can all make a difference, regardless of gender, regardless of background, or political affiliation. For all my 3 terms, halin sa 12th, 13th, and 14th sa Malian, I have had the honor of presiding over a body filled with brilliant minds, strong voices, those kay Bolivar, kay Cardoso, and of course, everybody has committed hearts for the welfare of our beloved province of Iloilo. Sa akin mga kaugbanan sa sangguniang pananabigan, kanuduro yun, madamang kid na salamat. Salamat kid na wala akong maging kong ipapagdayan kid no? But I'm very proud to say that for the past 3 terms, as far as I can remember, wala kita kaagi to buy the house. So it simply shows na very collective. Biskan na ba isay kami, biskan ang kunaga. Pero we have come together because we always believe that what we are doing is for the good of the people in the province of Iloilo. To the hardworking Secretariat, salamat din. Of course, una ko yung pasalamatan sa Atty. Roger Salco, Apisari ng YCP. Of course, Atty. Hinina Hinise. So, tangaan ko lang din salamat kid, no? Iskan wala gid ka mo ma-recognize maayo, but always, no? You are often seen but never unappreciated. No, salamat kid. Ang ako niya ihambal sa mga staff. Tsaktuhan nyo lang ubra ninyo. It doesn't matter kung sino man ang boss ninyo, basta as long as you do your best in your own individual work, ma-appreciate yun na kung sino man ang mga gusto. Now, many thank you to my BG family as well. Salamat man sa tanang yung legislative staff of the Board members. Sa mga pamulayo ng probinsya ng Iloilo, mabaragin na salamat sa inyong pagsalig kagumpuan inumatag niya sa akin. Ang inyong init na pag-abi-abi sa akon, sa inyong mga barangay, sa tagsan nyo kagbalay, sa inyong panimalay, sa pagpangamusta, paghinunanan, halin sa mga distrito, segundo, tercer, cuarto, kagtanga sa quinto. Salamat po. And of course, there were also moments of difficulty. There were days when decisions were heavy, and days when criticisms came harder than applause. But through it all, I held on to one truth, that leadership is not about titles, it is about people. And serving our people has been the greatest honor of my life. Kapasalamat man ako sa aking pamilya, halin kay Garin, kay nanay ko, sa mga matuntuan ko, sa mga in-laws ko, sa mga plus ko, of course. Nawalgam ko din, no? Peter Jane, kinabang ko Garin. First time, mas kagay siya din, siya Peter Jane, mga mo. Pero sa mga gawin, hindi tuminig man. No? Pero welcome din, Peter Jane. It's a heavy burden. Kasi may nagasiya mo ng imong ginikanan. Naging imong mga, no, and all the elders in the family. So I know, grounded, kung nagkasali ka Jane, I think she knows what she's doing now. No? And also, I would like to thank kay Gov Art Sr., who was my governor in my first term, kay Gov Totok, and also to our congressmen and women. Kapasalamat muna ko, other than my family, I'd also like to thank Comfridge Miron, who was my partner on my second term when we were in tandem as governor and vice governor. No, of course, Amanda sa second district, Con Mike, and now Catherine Goriseta. Sa third district, kay Kong Lawrence, who was also a member of the Sanggunian on the 12th, no? 12th Sanggunian. Sa quinto, kay Kong Boboy, and of course, the incoming congressman, kay Binky, no? Salamat kids sa inyo. In spite, you might have been in different times, you might have been on different political affiliation, but yet, thank you again sa inyo suporta sa amin. As I prepare to pass on the gavel and leave this post, I do so with peace in my heart. Masupot man, masadya man, no? But I know that I have served with integrity and with love and with every ounce of my capability. I am not saying goodbye to public service. Kasi masayo naman ako dito sa aking gibanwa sa Banwa sa Gimbar. Sa aking pagbiya sa sinang katungganan, let me leave you with this. Never underestimate the power of principled leadership, nor the value of kindness in governance. Let us continue together to uplift each other, to champion unity over division, and to always put the welfare of the Ilonggo people above all else. Madamo gid na salamat sa inyong tanan. Thank you for the honor of serving you. Salamat, salamat, salamat kid halin sa alibuton sa akong tinipusoy. To God be the glory. Mabuhay ang sangguniang palalawigan. Mabuhay ang probinsya sa Iloilo. Salamat.
At this juncture, the temporary presiding officer yields to the permanent presiding officer.
Damos na